Hey everybody, welcome back to the Sjolie YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and today we're going to be talking about the Apollo T5020 applicator settings for the best spray tan. Okay, so starting off in the very back of the gun, we have the solution screw. This solution screw is going to control how much solution comes out of the gun at a time. So closing it all the way is going to be the best starting position. That's going to lock the trigger so no solution comes out. The best position for this is going to be 4 or 5 half turns backed out. So if I'm starting all the way from the closed position, I'm going to put my thumb on top. 1, 2, 3, 4 to start. Test that out with maybe water in your gun just to see how that feels. And then if you decide you need a little bit more solution, you could open it up another half turn, or if it's too much, you could always close it up a little bit more. Now in the front of the gun, this is the air cap. So this is going to control whether the fan pattern is in a vertical or horizontal position. If the air cap is vertical like this, that means you're gonna have a horizontal fan pattern. So that's how we're gonna spray using the Sjolie method, top to bottom. If this air cap is turned horizontal, that's going to create a vertical fan pattern, meaning that you're spraying side to side. If the air cap is in a diagonal position like this is going to be your contour setting for Apollo. This is going to give you the most narrow fan pattern where you have the ability to contour. Most of the time, you're always going to want the applicator to be in a vertical position because that's how we're going to spray. If you have any questions about the Apollo applicator or need help adjusting your gun at all, feel free to call our customer service line and we'll be happy to help you.